Hey guys, welcome to the second video of the Tkinter series for beginners. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to write text to the screen. So, if you wanna see how this whole code came up, then you have to watch the first video. I'm not gonna tell it in this video. So, if you have this thing set up and everything is working and it's in place, and you have written this code, then you have to make a variable for the text. So we can say plain text is equal to, and then we have to write label, and within brackets we have to write the text which we have to, the text that the label contains. So we can write hello world, the place where every single programming tutorial begins. Then we can give it some font. When you give the font, you have to write it within brackets, and then you have to do quotes for the font name. I'm gonna do my favorite font here, Impact, and then we give comma and we write the size of it. I'm gonna give 35, and then we write text dot tag, and let's run this. Save it and run this, and as you can see, we get hello world on the screen. Pretty nice, as expected. Now if you want to change the side at where this is hello world is, like right now it's on the top. What if you want it here or here or here? Now if you want to do it with real ease, there is one thing you can do is inside this back brackets you can add side is equal to, and then any side you want. It can be right. If I do right, and if I run this, see it came in the right. And if you want to do it to the left, you can do that too. So if I run this, it is on the left, and then top bottom is also possible. Top, this is top. If you don't write top and leave it without side, it will be on top anyways, and then there is bottom. So this is the easiest way to add some positioning to the text. There are many things you can do. You can add so many things to this text, how the padding goes and all. We are gonna talk about this in the future videos. If you wanna watch them, watch that videos. Make sure to subscribe. And anyways, so let's say you wanna change the color of this text. So the foreground is equal to, and then we write any color we want. I will again tap in my favorite thing here. Now my favorite color. First I tap my favorite font. Now I'm gonna type my favorite color, which is blue. And it didn't came because I hadn't saved it. And as you can see hello world in blue. So you can type any color. If you want RGB, you can do that too, but with quotes, if you want to write, you have to write the color name. It gives only the main colors like yellow, blue, red, purple. All that simple colors are possible in this way. And then if we want to do the background, we can do that as well. And if I keep the background as black, it won't suit with the blue, so I will change the blue to white. Yeah, and I'll save this and I run this. As you can see, we get the background of the text as black, and the foreground, which is the actual color of the main text, as white. So, and guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.